Good morning, class 7. Welcome to biology class. Today I am again with a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, the human body. So far we have completed chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now comes chapter number 5. Now in this chapter we will be learning about two different types of organ system, and they are, the first one is excretory system and the second one is nervous system. So first we will start with excretory system and we will try to understand everything about the excretory system, okay, in this chapter. So first in this excretory system we need to define excretion. What exactly is meant by excretion? Okay, excretion. So first comes the definition of excretion. Definition. How to define excretion? So excretion is defined as the removal of waste material from the body. Okay. So several different kinds of metabolic activities, that is life activities, occurs in the body. Okay. As a result, what happens? A large number of waste material is produced in the body, and this waste material has to be removed from the body. Otherwise, they act as poison. Okay. They will start acting as poison, and then we will be having health problem, okay, health issues. So that is why there is always the need of excretory system in human body. The organ system concerned with the function of excretion is what we call the excretory system. In human body, the excretory system is represented by, the main excretory system is represented by the urinary system, about which we will be discussing later. Now first comes the definition of this excretion. So whenever you are asked about what is excretion, you need to define by saying that excretion is the process of removal of waste material. Removal of waste material. Okay, waste material. Okay, the waste materials. Now how these waste materials are produced? By various kinds of metabolic activities that occurs inside the human body, like respiration, like digestion, okay, and then destruction of cells. So this all leads to the formation of waste in the body, okay, which is required to be removed. And for the removal of these waste material from the body, we have the organ system called excretory system. But before going into the excretory system, we must clear first how many different kinds of waste material that are produced in the body, and what are the organs in our body which have the removal of such waste materials. So first comes the lungs, which is one of the excretory organ. Okay, so excretory organ and the waste material which they remove. Waste material. Lungs help in removing carbon dioxide, which is produced during the process of respiration. Okay, carbon dioxide. Then again, next we have skin. The skin helps in removing the waste material like sweat. Okay, along with the sweat, many salt, excess of salt, excess of water, okay, excess of nitrogen waste, okay, are usually removed along with the sweat. Then again, next we have liver. Okay, liver. Now in the liver, what happens is that the blood cells like RBC and all, when they die, they get destroyed in the liver, and as a result nitrogen waste are produced like urea. Okay, this urea is excreted by liver. Then again we have another main excretory organ which we call as the kidney. This urea is carried by the blood, and again it is taken to the kidney, where in the kidney this urea in the form of urine is excreted from the body. So kidney, what it does, it also excretes urea in the form of urine. Okay, so just now we discussed about the excretory organ and their waste material which they excrete. Okay, then again after that comes the human excretory system. The main human excretory system is represented by human excretory system, which is also called as urinary system. Urinary system. This urinary system includes a pair of kidneys, okay, then again next a pair of ureter, and then again next a urinary bladder, okay, and a urethra. So if you are asked about what is urinary system or what is a human excretory system, then you need to say that the organ system formed by a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, a urinary bladder and urethra, okay, together is called urinary system or human excretory system. Then you may be also asked to draw the diagram. So that diagram I will be drawing just now. Okay, diagram, you may be also asked to draw the diagram. Okay, so diagram of urinary system, first we will draw the blood vessel. Okay, two blood vessels you have to draw like this. Okay, then again so this way, then again kidney, you mark like this, kidney. From here the ureter arises. The starting part is little bit broader. This way it opens into the then after that we need to label it. Okay, so two different types of the blood vessels which enter into the kidney is what we call renal artery. Okay, it brings the blood and again which takes away is what we call the renal vein. And this is the kidney. Okay, this one is the ureter and this one is the urinary bladder, and then this one is the urethra. So just now I have drawn the human excretory system, that is urinary system. Okay, this you need to draw in your copy, students. Okay, let us keep up to here. Thank you very much.